the heart of the night, I feel you near. Whisper soft like a breeze in my ear. Dreams of you, they linger clear. Silent messages I can't help but hear. When the moonlight paints shadows on my wall, I sense your touch in the silence of it all. Feel your heartbeat like a distant call. Even when you're not here, you have my soul. You're my lover's echo in the still of night. A haunting melody wrapped up tight. Every whisper and embrace holding me so right. You're my lover's echo, my guiding light. Too often we're apart, but love stays close. Your presence a fragrance only I know. Through the distance I'll feel